Okay, hopefully the last challenge didn't scare you off. In this tutorial, we're going to do just a very basic function just to get more practice with using the function keyword, defining a function, and getting used to parameters, and of course the return statement. So all I want to do in this tutorial is we're going to create a function using the keyword function. The function will basically be a function that is expecting to receive an argument passed in, and then it just returns whatever number is passed in doubled, okay? So if you pass in the number 2, it will return 4. If you pass in 10, it will return 20. So I've written out the pseudo code here, the steps, so please feel free to pause the video and try come up with this by yourself, otherwise you can code along. Really, we're doing a lot of very basic function exercises for practice to get the foundations, and then we can start doing more cool stuff later on in this course. So we know if we want to create a function, we use the function keyword. I'm going to call the function double number. We have our parentheses. So this function will be defined with one parameter. We can call that parameter number. So this function is expecting to receive in a number, and that number will obviously be a number. Okay. Then what we want to do is we just want to return the number that was passed in times 2. So we just say return number times 2. And that's it. That's our function. This is a short tutorial. So if I want to pass in, what numbers did we say? 5, 25, 200. So if we say let result 1 be equal to double number, so now we're calling or invoking our function, we can pass in the number 5 and then just console.log result 1. Okay, so what's happened here is I've created our function, used the keyword function. The function's called double number. We've defined a parameter called number. Okay, and then we just return whatever number was passed in times 2. So here we are passing in 5 to the double number function. Remember, to call or invoke our function, you just type out the name of the function with parentheses and pass in any arguments that you need to. Then we store that in this variable here called result1, and then we just log out result1 to the console. So this should give us an answer of 10. So if I save and refresh, we get 10. Awesome. So you can do this again with, we'll just say results now and do it with 25. If I pass in 25 to the function, we should expect to get back 50. So if I save and refresh, result 1 is not defined. Oh, apologies, yeah, I changed the name of result 1, but I didn't change it there. So we just save and refresh now. Apologies about that. So that's what happens when you make reference to a variable that doesn't exist, by the way. So now we get 50. Awesome. And then lastly, if we want to pass in 200 to our function, well, double 200 or 200 times 2 should be 400. Okay? So if you save and refresh, we get 400. Okay, awesome. So that's how you write a function in JavaScript that doubles whatever number was passed into it. I'll see you in the next one.